my name is Leela, thanks to the financial program provided by Kfi Global. Me and my classmates got the amazing opportunity to learn more about how to handle our money, more than any other previous course had taught us.
My name is Charles Rigel. I wanted to say a big thanks to Kfi Global and Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this wonderful program that gave us the opportunity to learn to manage our money. In our society, it's our biggest problem, and schools doesn't offer us this opportunity. So again, a wonderful thanks.
My name is Jakob Berger. This program has taught me how important it is to have the right mentality towards money, but also as well as budgeting and controlling your money.
Hello, my name is Nahom. I'm from grade 11. Firstly, I want to start with thanking Kfi Global for delivering such a beneficial financial literacy lesson. They were also very lively, handy and helpful, and also many thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this.
My name is Yusuf Amari, and I just received Kfi Global's financial literacy program. I'd like to give my thanks to Kfi Global for delivering the program and to DIB for sponsoring it.